Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate UPS WorldShip for e-commerce shipment consistency step by step clearly. To activate UPS WorldShip for e-commerce shipment consistency, begin by ensuring you have a valid UPS account. Visit the UPS website and navigate to the WorldShip download page. Download the latest version of UPS WorldShip. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch UPS WorldShip from your desktop or Start menu. When prompted, enter your UPS account information to log in. Select the Initial Setup option from the main menu. Choose your shipping preferences according to your e-commerce business needs. Connect your printer if you plan to print shipping labels directly. Next, configure the default shipping options, such as service type and package size. Import your customer and product data if available, using the Import feature. Manually enter any additional information required for shipping labels. Review your settings to ensure accuracy and consistency. Test the system by creating a sample shipment to verify your setup. If successful, access your actual orders and begin processing shipments. Regularly check for updates to ensure your software stays current. Utilize UPS's resources for further training or troubleshooting as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.